Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Valorant Windows cannot access the specified device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, right-click on the Valorant app and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab and ensure both Run this program as administrator and Disable full screen optimizations are checked. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Try relaunching Valorant to see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, let's try creating a shortcut directly linked to the Valorant application. Right-click on your desktop, go to New and select Shortcut. Click on Browse and navigate to the Valorant executable file. Typically, this is found in the C drive under Riot Games, then Valorant. Select the Valorant app, click OK, then Next, and finally Finish. Double-click on the shortcut to launch Valorant and check if it works. If the problem persists, we can try resetting certain services. Search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Enter the following commands: scdelete VGC, scdelete VGK. Press Enter after each command, then close Command Prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, navigate to the C drive, then Program Files, and find the folder named Riot Vanguard. Right-click and delete this folder. Ensure you've restarted your computer before attempting to delete this folder, as it may be in use by system processes. Next, reopen the Riot client and update Valorant as prompted. This may include reinstalling Vanguard. Follow through with any updates required. So that's basically how to fix Valorant Windows cannot access the specified device. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.